Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to share a community via Messenger in X. By sharing a community through Messenger, you can easily connect with others and invite them to join your community directly through private messages. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of sharing a community via Messenger in X. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Ensure that you're on the home screen to begin the process. Step 2. Locate the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. This icon represents the community section. Tap on it to access the community page. Step 3. Once on the community page, you have two options. You can either tap on the desired community icon directly or utilize the search icon to find the community you want to share. Choose the method that suits you best. Step 4. Scroll up on the community page to reveal additional options. Among these options, you'll find the share icon. Tap on it to initiate the sharing process. Step 5. In the sharing options, tap on Share Via and select Messenger. This will open your Messenger app, allowing you to send a private message with the community details to the intended recipients. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to share a community via Messenger in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.